Gil knows how to work me. Gil knows how to work me.
Yeah. I'm pissed off. I've been in traffic for 2 hours right now. Pretty good. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good.
Looks good?
Yeah. Okay, give me a few poses. All right, let's start. Ready? Change. One more. Oh, come on. You're holding back on me. Come on. There you go. Now we're talking. So back to the front. Back to the front. Back to the front.
I'll come get it.
Oh, I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. Yeah, I'm getting even on you on the carpet. Getting even. Let's do this. Nice. Yeah. Guys, try it again. I'm the big smile right here. Awesome. One more. Try it again. One more. Still with me. And one more. Use it to you, right? Yes. One more.